About this AM, some good hard work. A couple of things I want to bring to your attention or remind you that, of course, you know that when you race, you're not capping the ratings at 22 or 26 or 30 or 32. It is what it is. But in some practices, the rates are capped. And the rates are capped so that that is not a denominator or a factor in the boat speed. The factor in the boat speed is you. This afternoon, going to be doing drills and some steady state. We're going to be doing drills that we haven't done so much of, which are actually pretty good drills, really simple, outboard hand only, inboard hand only.
And shoulders, ready, split.
Following the arc of your shoulder, the arc of the oar handle. And also come into your side slightly right there into the finish. Yep, that's it. That Parker in the 2-seat over there, Parker, that looks fantastic. Once you finish through 20 per each 6 in the inboard hand, go to 20 per each 6 outboard arm on the square. Trying to get more reach. The last third of your recovery. Your reach is right there. That's where you get it. Just come up. So each hand does something a little bit different, so it's good to do drills that are outboard hand only or inboard hand only, or vice versa. And now they're going to be rowing on square blades. This is on square blades. On square blades. Just like I mentioned back there. Relax so you can get your blades off the water. When you think about it, the boat weighs about 205 pounds, much, much less than the combined weight of the rowers. So it's actually extremely tippy. And you can keep your blades and hands and bodies moving together. You're going to be faster than you would be if you weren't moving together and weren't moving correctly up to the catch. So it's actually pretty hard to row these boats. Go to the feather now. Stay light. There you go, that's it. Nice, smooth, long, and Brenda's boat. Very nice. Let's go all 8. So let's pick it up with steady state at rate 18, long and low. This is called steady state, and this is long, low distance, which provides the base of everything. Is that at an 18 over there? So 18 means they're rowing 18 beats a minute or 18 catches a minute. Low, steady state, low rating, 18. But it's really the absolute fundamental measurement. Even in the Olympics, they'll say they're striking, if they're in England, they're striking at 42 beats a minute. So this is 18, you can imagine what 42 is. Okay, Coxswain, take 40 more strokes at rate 18 and then weigh it up and turn. Move that outboard shoulder. Hold your rating. Firm it up into your glamour shot here, ladies.
Make it look good!
And again, low rating is fundamental work this time of year, making sure they're balancing the boat, making sure they're getting their base fitness level.